Hello, this is the second puzzle box in Find a Bag series, or Find a Bag series. Yeah, it's thinner but a little bit longer, but I think it's more in a total. Here is comparison. You see it a little bit taller. This. So, how to open it? You need all the keys, like that one before. So, to get the first key, you open up this. You see it's a little hole there. So what you wanna do is you wanna plug it off, kind of help to slide out. So and then you can't if you push it like this. If you push it in like this, you can't get anything, because you see it's, I don't know if you can see. No, maybe you can see. It's a blue. Right, you can see the white, and see it's whatever. It's a blue Lego there. So but it's nothing under. So you wanna rotate it upside down here on that side. So when you push, this come out, and you can take out your key. And here is the second key. And when you turn it like this, you may think it's a game. You may discover this hole. This can't go in, but this can. But look what's happened. I push it in. Nothing happens. It's too short. And at us, just like this, you just can pull off a Lego once. So you can say it right in the beginning, but it won't fit, or you can say it. Who cares? Who cares? But you wanna push it in here, but you can't, or can't. So you wanna slide it a little bit, and then push it in. So here comes the last key, which you push it in, and your bag come out. So if you open this up, you can see it's a blue Lego. Scary. Yeah. Yeah. So push it back if you want. Yeah. Here is with Max. That, and we can compare to this. And one thing, this is 3 bricks tall. A Lego figure without the hair is 4 bricks. So yeah, if you take off the head, you or you can do You can do like this. If you take 3 of these, put on each other. If you do it, you know how small it is. Yeah. Yeah, but for this, yeah,